InterestTracker is the complete online CRM for managing interactions with interests on their way to membership. In this video, I'll show you how to navigate around the AttendanceTracker module and access your attendance list. Click AttendanceTracker on the sidebar menu and select the event. Remember, if you're in the middle of an existing event, AttendanceTracker will take you directly to that event. You can now see a list of all the meetings with dates, times, titles, and the number of people that have been checked in. In the AttendanceTracker top bar, there are several icons next to the event name. The View Meetings icon will bring you back to this page. The View Details icon shows you details about the overall event. The Edit Event icon takes you to the Edit screen, and the Switch Event icon takes you to a list of all of your events. On the event list is a column called Unique Checkins. This counts the number of people in your interest list who checked in for at least one meeting. So you can see that this event had 176 check-ins for this event, and drilling down, you can see the check-in count for every meeting. In addition to the total number of checked-in guests, you'll probably want to also record the total attendance for the meeting. Select the meeting you want to edit, then near the bottom find a field for total attendance, where you'll enter the total number of attendees at the meeting. You can also track how many children are attending any children's meetings you may be holding at this event. Click Update, and you can now see the number checked in and the total attendance for your meetings. Let's look at the details for a specific meeting. This shows the information about the meeting with a list of people who checked in for this specific meeting. Anytime you're on a meeting-specific page, a number of icons are available for that meeting. Using these links, you can go to the check-in page for a meeting, record decisions for a meeting, view details about the meeting, and edit the meeting details. Finally, you can switch meetings on the meeting list page. To see your attendance list for this event, click the Attendance List button. The first thing to notice is that this is a subset of your entire interest list and only contains those people who checked in for at least one meeting in this event. Here you can see we have 316 interests in this InterestTracker account. And now let's go back to the event and to the attendance list. And here we can see there are only 176 interests on this specific attendance list. Next, notice that there are two additional columns not available on the standard interest list: registration number and attendance chart. That's because both of these are specific to this event. When this interest registers for a future event, you'll receive a different number specifically for that event. You can choose which columns are visible in the list by clicking the Column Visibility button. Let's turn off the address, zip, tags, and assigned to columns, and turn on the profile picture and religious background columns. And now these are the columns being displayed. Click the Output button to copy this list to your clipboard, export as a CSV comma-delimited file or Microsoft Excel file, or generate a PDF list, or open the list in a new window to print. Now, the system will output whatever is visible on this page, so if you want to output the entire list, you need to make sure that you show all records. You do have the option to hide any records that are marked as Seventh-day Adventist, and you can also filter by specific meetings. So let's find everyone who attended night 7, but then missed night 8. So here we have 26 interests that missed night 8 after attending night 7. And finally, you can also view AttendanceTracker information for a specific interest. At the bottom of an interests page, you can see all your events with attendance information, including the attendance chart and registration number. When you open an event, you can see the meeting level attendance data for this interest and even make adjustments as needed. Toggling a meeting check-in instantly updates the attendance chart. In your evangelistic meetings, you're going to be asking people to make decisions, and you can record these decisions in InterestTracker. However, AttendanceTracker offers a method for quickly recording decisions for a specific meeting, which we'll look at next.